As a photographer, I think it's important to almost get inside the subject's mind to gather inspiration, to try to capture that spirit. I'm so excited about shooting on this phone, where I get to really work with the subject in a very intimate and personal way.
Something so special about ballet as an art form is the obsession that dancers have for technique, and I just fell in love with that.
Being a pilot, I get to fly over the clouds and see all these beautiful cities.
I really love color. I want to capture it in jewelry and even my designs.
Light is everything. So I'm very excited about the lighting in here, the natural light falling in, because obviously we'll get beautiful portraits. The thing you really want to capture is the essence of the artist. It's a very sort of personal process, and it's important to make the subject feel like they can be absolutely themselves. Shooting on this phone, first of all, the technical side is excellent. This camera is really amazing at how precise and sharply focused it is on what I want to bring out in this particular portrait. So this will be super cool. The less your presence can be felt, the less the camera's presence can be felt. I think the more you will be able to feel that intimacy. The Huawei P20.